Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a page kit layout. There's really nothing else going on. This is those page kits that I put together in hopes that I would be able to have lots to do when I was in North Dakota on my crop with my girly friends. And unfortunately that got canceled and I got sent overseas on business. Got stranded and it was a glorious time. I got a lot of sightseeing in Germany and London, and I was in Paris. So this was, I think, layout 18. This is the table gang. So this is myself, Franny, Marcy, and then my lovely, lovely friends Nancy and Vicky. I haven't seen Vicky, Marcy, and Fran since October last year, but I seen Nancy in July. So, love it. And I was really skinny then. Dreams. Alright, so we've got to figure out, I've got all of this over here. I also have this mighty big bag of leftovers from other page kits, so we have that to pull in as well. But we've got all of these fun things, so we're just going to do layering, 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 and layering. And see what we can create. Pretty much got like 2 or 3 pages out of each one of these. So I think what we will do, I think we're going to do that. What if we snuck that in there too, though? Because it does get a little purple down here, doesn't it? So what if we did... I'm not digging that. So I'm not digging that at all. 2 floral prints, but I'm very much so digging that. So we're going to do that. We're going to put these to the side because, we'll just make another page later. So we're going to go ahead and trim this one down. Let's go 11 3/4 by 11 3/4. And then we'll take this one straight to 12. And I'm gonna gut this because no, I'm not. Why am I gonna gut it? I don't even really enjoy using these collections anymore. I know that that's sad and people get mad, but I love Paige Evans and I love excuse me, Vicki Boutin. It's not my style. We went over this when I was creating the kits. Out of all of the collections that I've just bought over the years and like made a layout out of, and then just was like, alright, that was fun, and never went back. So the only collections that I will be getting from them is anything that comes in the scrap broom kit, right? So there we go. We've got that. We've got this. So let's see what we can pull in. I definitely do not want these two. We use those later. So let's go ahead and... I used to number my photos. I was way more organized at one point in my life. Okay. So we're going to mat these 3 times, and then I'm going to kind of figure out what I want to do. Probably going to do something with these bigger elements, but they're purple, so because everything is purple in this collection, of course, and what I've pulled here, but just a few of the items, so that's fun. There are a few pink things, so I will pull what I can pink, and then yeah, and I'll dive into my little bag of goodies over there and get the rest of the pink stuff. So that's probably what I'm going to do. So I will be back shortly. All right. My voice is a little bit on the rough side. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I'm getting a bit of a cold or what. So I've kind of got a little diagonal going here. I've pulled in all the pinks from previous layouts. We've got that going on. I wanted to try to get this in here, but it's just not gonna work. So I think we can come in with some of these little heart doodads. And ooh, the girls is going crazy. Let's make that into a little diamond, and then we'll put this one right here next to it. And then because I'm weird, I have to just trim that and put that back. And now what? She says, because she doesn't know. I did get my, well, I didn't actually get it up there, did I? I'm going to put our little title on, and we're just going to go do a little table gang. This was my gang from the She Loves Color. It's who I sat with every day. The girls are going wild. I can't wait for October there because I get to see these lovely ladies again. I can't believe I haven't seen Franny since October of last year. That was the first time I met all these ladies, even Fran. Let's put a little XO up there, right? I don't know. What else do we want to put on there, if anything? Let's just see if we can get a little clear sticker there. Let's bring these florals up, kind of complete that. And alright, you guys, I actually think that's going to do it for today's layout. So yes, you can see that I am using those kits that I put together, so that is fun and exciting for me, and just, you know, when I have a little extra time to play and no design team stuff to partake in. And that is going to do it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and leave all your questions and comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Please keep it positive, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.